Right, I want to take you down a little trip down memory lane now and up a flight of stairs of sorts, because I think you'll all be delighted with your Stira. Remember that? Remember that? There's a whole bunch of young people going, ah. Just have a look at this as a reminder.
Michael Burke from Dunmore, County Galway, set up in business and is now marketing very successfully his Stira staircase, attic conversion for the use of, you pull like so, hang up your diddly, and pull down the stair, and it goes like so. Okay? Beautifully made, beautifully secure. He started because he got the idea from America, and you fold it up like so, and it is spring loaded. How about that? Well, nice job.
Right, that was, of course, Late Late Show 1990 with Gay Byrne, the inventor of the Stira. Michael Burke sadly passed away some years ago, but his daughter Kate and son Michael Jr. are here this evening. Welcome to you both, and thanks for joining us. Is that nice watching that? Is nice memories?
It is, yeah. Like, we watched it, say, from home now years ago. I was about 8 when that was on telly, so you would have been about 10.
Were you allowed to stay up? Was that part of the...
Yeah, big excitement, because we were still that young. Like, we wouldn't have been let stay up that late,
of course.
You know, so it's great.
Tell us about the invention and your dad's invention, because it was one of those big, famous ones that happened on the Late Late Show.
It actually came from, say, a local guy in Dunmore who had moved back from America, and he had brought back an attic stairs, and he needed somebody to fix it. Our dad at the time had an engineering company, and he asked our dad, would he fix it? So he thought it was a great design, but it could do with a lot of improvements. So they set about kind of making changes to it, improving it, changing the design, and over the years they've improved it considerably, you know. So.
Yes.
That's where it came from.
And was there a big deal? I mean, you know you were very young at the time, but because it was on the show, and all these years later, here we're still talking, you hear people saying you should be delighted with your Stira. It still goes, it's still going on.
Yeah.
Was it a big deal in your house and around town when you were little?
Yeah, oh, it was huge. You know, we're from a small town in the west of Ireland now, so everybody was talking about it. You know, it was talked about at school. Of course, everybody at work was talking about it. It was huge at the time.
Is the business still a going concern? Is the Stira still there and it's still rocking along and all is good?
Yeah, yeah. Still in business, yeah. We still service 32 counties. You know, we're selling into England as well, so still going. Started here and continues to fly. Absolutely. Nice to remember your dad tonight, and thanks for coming in to see us tonight, ladies and gentlemen. Kate, Mike. The reason we spoke to Michael and Kate tonight is that we think that we want to encourage you to send in your business ideas to us, and maybe if you think that your business could be the next Stira, for example, or indeed the next Apple or Microsoft or Supermax, we'd like to hear from you. Tonight, our Enterprise Special is coming up here on The Late Late Show, and if you have a new idea or a business that you think the country needs to hear about, then simply drop us an email telling us all about it to latelatextra@rte.ie, or you can post your entries into Late Late Enterprise, PO Box 170, Dublin 4. All the details there on the screen, and we'll feature a selection of the best on the show in the coming weeks. So get in touch for the chance to showcase your idea to the nation, and maybe you too will end up, as the man himself would have said, Delira and Ixira. All right, good luck with all of that.